Good morning, students. Today we will be continuing chapter number 2 of our English grammar book, Essentials of English Grammar and Composition. And the name of the chapter is Nouns. So let us first recapitulate what we have already discussed and what we discussed in the previous video. So, a noun. A noun is a name of a person, animal, place, or thing. It can name materials, it can name an idea, an emotion, a quality, a state, etc. And in the classification of noun, if we are talking about person, animal, place, or thing, their name in particular, then it will come under the category of proper noun. But if we are talking the name of person, animal, place, or thing in general, then it will be common noun. And if one word is indicating a group of person, animals, places, or things, that will be known as collective noun. And the idea or emotion or quality which we can't see or touch, that will come under the category of abstract noun. So let us go further. All these kind of nouns are classified under countable and uncountable noun. Countable means a name of a person, thing, object, or place which can be counted, that will come under the category of countable noun. If we can't count the name of a person, thing, object, then it will be uncountable noun. So all the four major kinds of nouns will be either countable or uncountable. Like generally speaking, most of the common and collective nouns are countables and proper noun are uncountable because there is only one of their kind. That's why they come under the category of uncountable nouns. But there are some common noun like material noun which are also uncountable. So it depends not on the major categorization, it depends on the material or the thing or the name. If it is counted, then we will say it is countable noun. If we can't count it, then we will say it is uncountable noun. Now abstract noun. Abstract noun is also uncountable noun like pride, beauty, pain. We can't count them. But there is exception of this rule also. There are some abstract nouns which are having plural form, so they come under the category of countable noun also. Next one, there is one another way of looking at nouns. All the nouns can be abstract or concrete. Abstract, as you know the definition of abstract nouns, it refers to the idea, quality, states which we can feel. We can feel them only, we can understand them only, but we can't see them or touch them. Like poverty, bravery, despair, we can feel them, we can not touch them, we cannot see them, we can just have a realization that it is there. And concrete noun, opposite of that, the idea or name of a people, place, thing which come under the category of noun. If we can see them, feel them, and touch them, and if they occupy some space, then it will come under the category of concrete nouns. So concrete noun which we can see, feel, or touch, and abstract noun which we can't see or touch. Next, so here this is a major chart which will make us understand whatever we have done till now. We have done the four major category of noun, that is proper, common, collective, and abstract noun, then countable and uncountable noun, then concrete and abstract noun. And we have learned that most of the common and collective nouns are countable. There is exception also. Common nouns that name material are uncountable. Proper nouns are mostly uncountable because they are one of their kind. Abstract nouns are generally uncountable, but there are some abstract nouns which we can count, like idea. I have an idea. So here it is countable. So it depends on the thing or object whether we can count it or not count it. So here a countable noun has a plural form, but an uncountable noun has no plural form. And before countable nouns, we write a, an, one, few, many, and several. And before uncountable nouns, we use little or much. So here now we will learn how to form abstract noun. And if you understand it well, you will be able to solve exercise number 2, 3 and 4 of chapter number 2, nouns. So here words will be given to you and you have to change them into abstract nouns. So the first rule is that abstract nouns can be formed by adjectives, verbs or common nouns. Means if you are having one adjective with you like brave, you can easily frame abstract noun by using that adjective. And abstract nouns can be formed from verbs also, like knowledge is formed by know. Know is a verb and knowledge is abstract noun. Abstract noun can also be formed from common nouns like child. Child is a common noun and childhood is a abstract noun. Friend. Friend is a common noun and friendship is an abstract noun. Slave. Slave is a common noun and slavery is an abstract noun. So let us learn how we are framing that, how we are forming abstract noun from adjectives, verbs and common nouns. So here we have to add suffix in the root word. Root word means it can be adjective or common noun. So here we will add suffixes. Suffixes means word which is added at the end of a word, that is known as a suffix. Like private is a word and AC is our suffix. Suffix means the word which is added at the end of a word. So here by adding suffix AC, we will make abstract noun privacy. AGEH is a suffix and word is short, so it will become shortage. Marry. AGE suffix marry, we will form abstract noun marriage. Like wastage is an abstract noun and it is formed from the root word waste and suffix is age. Likewise, these underlined words are suffixes which we will add in the word root word and that's how we will get abstract noun. So here assist is root word, assistance is abstract noun. Likewise, we have to practice it well so that we will be able to frame them when we are required to frame them. Next is here this is group of suffixes and these are abstract noun which are formed by using those suffixes like ity, ice, ment, nes, shep, sian, th. These are suffixes which will be added in the root word after the word. Suffix means which will be added after the word and that's how we will get abstract noun. Like equality is an abstract noun. It is formed by the root word equal and here ity is our suffix. This is how we will, by practice, we will be able to form abstract noun by using suffixes, by adding the suffixes in the root word. Now in last two exercises we have to fill the blanks with collective nouns. Here are the collective nouns which we have to read it and understand it well, like an album of photographs. Here the underlined words are collective nouns and they are representing group of things or object. Which group of things they are representing, we have to learn it. Like album is a group of photographs. So here album is a collective noun. An army of soldiers. Here army is a group of soldiers. A bench of judges. Here bench is a group of judges. So here it is collective noun. A board of examiners or director. So here board is a group of examiners. So here board is a collective noun. A bunch of flowers. Bunch is a word which is representing group of flowers. So here bunch is collective noun. Likewise, a chain of events, a chest of drawers, a clump of trees, a clutch of eggs. Here the underlined words are collective nouns and they are representing group of judges, events, trees, eggs, stars. So here, by going through this page, we will be able to know which are the words, which are the collective nouns which are representing the whole group of nouns, another nouns. So the here also some collective nouns are given which are denoting groups of people, like a number of people at a religious meeting. This is a group of people at religious meeting, so it will be known by the word congregation. A number of people listening to a lecture or a concrete concert. So here, this is a group of people which are there to listen to a lecture, that will be known as audience. So here, audience is a collective noun. This is how, this is a, on left hand side there is a group of people, and on right hand side collective nouns. These are the words which are known as collective noun, and they are representing a group of people. This is how we have learned collective nouns and formation of abstract noun, and our second chapter nouns gets completed here. Thank you.